Welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today I'm working on the Capri again. I got a little bit of work done on this thing last week and found out my alternator was not charging because it was missing the voltage regulator and the harness. Luckily for me, Team Blitz is a half an hour away. We can run over there and grab parts. He had a used harness, needs a minor repair, but it'll work for my needs. And a brand new Ford Motorcraft 36035 voltage regulator. So there you go, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm going to stick this on here, see if it runs, which I know it's going to run because it was running last time I had it out. He also had a radiator, a new radiator cap and a new fuel cap for me, which is good. I took the fuel cap off the 76 and cleaned it up and quickly found out that it doesn't fit the earlier versions because everything's different on that car. So with that, I'm going to stick this voltage regulator on here and see if we've got charging. Another mud dauber. Little 3-wire harness. Hey. Let me grab my voltmeter and we'll test her out. Nice. Not bad. Not great, not bad. Come on, you can do it, little guy. Not happy, but is it charging? Good Lord, young man. Hey, it's charging. Cool. .8 volts, I like that. Get this thing warmed up. I already set my timing, but I'm going to double check it. And I will set my idle speed because it seems a bit too low. Like that. So I turned up my high idle for choke. I'm charging at idle. Good. As I'm coming up the temperature, my idle's smoothing out. That's good. I'm going to grab my studs out of my old carburetor so I can put my factory air cleaner on, and then grab the rack out of the race car that we have, the muddy car. I'm going to use that rack while this rack gets rebuilt, and then I'll probably just put the rebuilt rack back in the race car. Have not done much with the race car to this point. I'm in the middle of putting an engine together for it, and get a passport so we can go up to Canada and grab a Cart's donor car that a nice fella has offered up to us. And that will probably give us the entire front clip for the Capri. Otherwise, we're going to just tube chassis the front and run it around wherever we run it around at, because it'll be getting run over in the class if we do a tube chassis in it, which is why we've been pausing on that one for so long. I like it. It's running nice. Change my studs over, get my air cleaner done. Perfect. Well, Norm was in the neighborhood today. He came by and picked up my rack off this green one that needs rebuilt. So I went and grabbed the rack out of the curmudgeon Capri, the race car we bought off Junkyard Digs a while ago. And we're actually making some progress with that. I need to get the 6-cylinder block back over to Mike at M&M for finished bore, and then pretty much it's time to assemble that engine. And then we have to make a decision on how we want to build the front end of that car. We actually have a gentleman up in Canada that said he would donate us a car, which we're probably going to go up and get. We were originally going to use this one to rebuild that one, but this one turned out to be such a nice car that we decided to fix it. And sometimes that happens. Probably not to everybody, but it does to me. So at any rate, we're going to put this rack in here so that this thing's mobile and it doesn't tie up my rack. Some pretty nice little bits on the curmudgeon Capri that we're going to borrow. This one actually has aluminum rack bushings, which we're going to stick in here, along with the Team Blitz oversized front caster rod bar. It's the sway bar / caster rod bar. So I'm going to stick those in here right now, and then this thing is pretty much ready to get the plates done on it and start taking this thing out for some drives. Let's get it together. I gotta take that all back off because I'm a dummy. Ooh, those rod ends have been cut. Not good. I think it'll be alright. We'll see. How much does this bumper weigh? Put some cotter pins in there, and then let's see if we want to use this Billy BA right here. Thing's a beast. I'll probably have to take the little control arms off and put that in. I don't know if I got that in me today. Let's go ahead and get the alignment done. Bit of a weird caster reading from side to side. I'm going to have to figure out why that is. Everything else lined up alright. Make some camber adjustments. My caster rod bushings are shot. The one that I have excessive caster on, the washer's actually loose, so I'll have to look into get some caster rod bushings for this thing. So this thing's actually pushed forward quite a bit. can actually install eccentrics here to adjust camber easily. That'll be a project for another day. At least it'll move and steer. So I can install the upgraded sway bar / caster rod. I have to drill these holes out, which isn't a big deal because when I go back to the original one, I can just nut and bolt it. This isn't in the cards for today because I have a Mustang I have to get in and get working on. I'm going to go ahead and do that. This at least made this thing mobile so I can get it out of here and free up my alignment rack because I have some alignments coming in tomorrow. Next step's going to be pulling bumpers, fixing caster rods, finding some tires, getting some tags. Man, do those bumpers need to go. I put some oil on the front ones to hopefully make them come off easier. We'll see if that works out for me tomorrow. Right now I have a 68 Mustang I have to get in. Sorry, a 69 Mustang. I'm going to pull that thing in and work on it for a little bit. I don't know if you'll see it before this one or not. It just kind of happens to all fall into place as it falls into place. At any rate, if this is the end of this video, click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. We appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. Thank you very much for your subscriptions. We'll try and keep keeping it real. You guys stay safe out there. We'll see you soon.